Multiply 0.2 by 200 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the hundreds digit, 2. Start two places to the left. 2 times 2 is 4. The third partial product is 400. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, bring down 4. The product of the whole numbers is 400. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 400 becomes 40.0. That is simply 40. So 0.2 times 200 is 40.